I gave you my heart.
This training is about removing the shadow from the face. So to do this, you should go to the channel. In RGB, press Ctrl to show us the brighter places, parts. So we should reverse it. Go back to the layers and press Ctrl and Shift I and make copy of that by pressing Ctrl J. So put the mode on a screen and reduce the opacity to get our desired choice. So it's good. So you should make a mask by pressing Alt and this. So take the brush and white brush. So start to painting the darker parts. So you can see the dark parts are brightening. So here we have this shadow face. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Good luck.